Hello everyone. So like around 6, 7 or 8 months back, I wrapped my bike. My bike was actually white in color, so I wrapped it to full black. No, I didn't make any changes on my RC book. I named it Mumbai Nikhil KTM Duke Edition 2.0. So today is the day where again I'm gonna wrap it. So I just like to do a few cosmetic changes. So today also I'm gonna do some few cosmetic changes. And last time I didn't show you how I did it and where I did it. Today I'm gonna show you how much time it takes and where I'm doing it. So that in case if you want to do it, you can also do it. So let's go. So I'm not going really far, it's just near to my house. If you guys remember, the few days back I uploaded a video of bike wash. Well, it's just there only. So this is Powai and I'm near IIT. So this is the shop where I've come. Road sign arch and all that. I hope the main guy is there inside. If he's not there, then there's a problem. कैसे हो? है क्या? हाँ? अरे डालता हूँ ना, अभी हाथ डालता हूँ ना। और भाई? They have removed the old sticker now, so they are now cleaning it with kerosene and soap water so that they can apply the new decal. Okay, so the procedure is very simple. You have to remove your old stickers or decals and then you have to clean it with kerosene. Once the sticker is removed, once all the gum is removed, then you have to select your decals. So right now I am selecting whichever sticker I want. So I've selected white. I'm going for white in color, and then you have to do your bargaining with the guy. If you have successfully done your bargaining and everything, selecting, then you need to have a design in your head. If you don't have a proper design in your head, then your end result will be not really great. So I have a design in my head which I have explained him, and now we're going to start the procedure of applying the decals. Okay, so it was raining, but luckily the rain stopped. Oh, we can continue the work, otherwise to stop the work, but good thing the rain stopped. Right now it's 3:30 in the afternoon, and when I came here it was like around 2 o'clock. So it's been 1.5 hours. I'm still here and I'm getting bored, but what to do, I have to be here. I have some work in Andheri actually by 5, but I don't think I'll be able to make it by 5. I think by 6 I'll be done. Let's see. So now actually we are thinking of what logo to put on my tank. Actually I want an MN logo, but then how to design that font, basically we are thinking of the font. So, and there will be V3 logo also at the bottom of the tank. Definitely not going to be green or orange, it's going to be black. So it's 5:20 in the evening and still the work is going on. I think it will take around more 1 hour easily. And standing here, I met few of my subscribers also. They are standing here. Want to see a very good quality hair dryer. A very good quality hair dryer. अरे भाग, actually में गरम हो गया. See, set हो गया, set. Very good quality hair dryer. Full, एकदम set. Just don't get me serious. This is just a heat gun. Oh, it's very powerful, man. I don't want to burn my hair. I love my hair. done. We are done with it actually, and I do want to show you the design now. It's already evening, as you clearly see outside. The sun is set and it will get dark in half an hour, so I cannot shoot the bike right now. So the total cost, I know you guys are interested. The total cost of all the wrapping is 3,150 rupees. But he's giving me 150 rupees discount. He said if I'll promote his shop, he'll give me 150 rupees discount. Kya dila gaya? So in case you're interested, now you know where to come. And remember, it will take good 6 to 7 hours, and you can change your design if you want. I've kept my design very simple. For now, I'll just leave and I'll show you the bike in the next scene. Okay, now before I show you the bike, I just want to say something, is that I have kept my bike really simple. I have not over designed it. And I usually get suggestions like, you know, Nikhil, you should put loud exhaust on your KTM, that bigger tank and everything. I like my bike to be simple, and I like the original tank of KTM Duke 390. I mean, I think it's wonderfully designed. I don't want to apply the bigger tank. I still have to install the tank scratch guard, and also I will install the new bulb for the headlight. If there's anything I'll do, I will definitely post it on my Facebook page, or probably I will show it in my future videos. Also, if you remember this place where I'm shooting right now, unfortunately nowadays it's not allowed to shoot over here. Somehow I've convinced the security that please allow me to shoot over here. I just stay nearby only, so he allowed me to come over and shoot. So finally now I will reveal you the bike. I'll play some nice music and then I'll show you the bike. Are you ready for it?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Okay, so I hope you liked my bike the way it's looking now. It's looking really simple and I think it's looking really nice. In reality, this bike is looking much better, to be very honest. Previous black color used to look much better in the videos and in the picture, but this white color one, it's looking much better in the reality rather than in the picture and the videos. So I was hoping it won't rain, and it's not raining, but it's like extremely hot and sunny right now. I will not say, okay, extremely was an extremely used word. It's really hot and sunny right now. I'm gonna get some bad tan. Anyways guys, so that's my bike over there. I hope you like this video guys. So thank you for watching my video. I will just leave now, and as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Bye bye.
Savannah.